Hi, this is Callie, here to give you a brief overview of Virtel Web Access. What are the key benefits of Virtel's thin client browser-based design? One of the main benefits of Virtel's thin client browser-based architecture is that Virtel is much simpler to install, administer, and support than solutions based on client applets. This is because Virtel's installation, administration, and support are centralized on the host. With Virtel, there's nothing to install, administer, or support on remote clients. No Java components, no applets, no plugins. And Virtel's deployment couldn't be simpler. Just have users point their web browsers to an installation-defined URL and port. The host support team no longer needs to rely on the desktop support team. They can install, administer, and support Virtel on their own. This simplification frees time that the host support team can spend on more creative tasks. Another key benefit of Virtel's thin client browser-based architecture is that it is instantly compatible with any client technology. From PC to Mac, from workstations to laptops to tablets and smartphones, regardless of operating system or web browser, any web-enabled device can render the standard HTML JavaScript pages that Virtel serves to it. This makes for a very BYOD, bring your own device, friendly solution. And one that will have a long lifespan, because it will work for as long as web-enabled client devices can render standard HTML JavaScript web pages. Another key benefit of Virtel's thin client browser-based architecture is its increased security compared to client-based solutions. Client devices connect to Virtel through end-to-end SSL encrypted HTTPS connections. The SSL encryption service is provided by IBM's ATTLS or ICSF. Being that those are IBM-supported encryption products, the connections are guaranteed to comply with the latest FIPS and TLS levels. Today, FIPS 140.2 and TLS 1.3. Although Virtel can coexist with a VPN is no longer needed for data encryption. As a matter of fact, some customers have dropped their VPN when they switched to Virtel, a significant cost and support reduction. Virtel integrates seamlessly with third-party authentication technologies, including RACF, ACF2, Top Secret, MFA, SSO, LDAP, SAML, PVI, and U2F. Virtel doesn't leave any components on client devices where they might get compromised. No Java components, and no applets or plugins. In fact, with Virtel, even user-developed macros can be stored on the host rather than left on client devices where they could get compromised. When it comes to client workstations, today's trend is to move as many applications as possible to the cloud and to rely on a plugin-free web browser to access those apps. This is referred to as VDI, Virtual Device Infrastructure. Relying on client applets for 3270 terminal emulation goes against these trends. But Virtel Web Access, with its thin client browser-based architecture, fits right within the cloud and VDI trends. With Virtel, 3270 applications are accessed via a standard plugin and extension-free web browser. In effect, Virtel turns 3270 screen applications into cloud applications. Another benefit of Virtel's reliance on HTML and JavaScript is that it makes it possible to integrate Virtel's emulated 3270 screens with other web application pages. For example, Virtel's 3270 terminal emulation pages can be served in an iframe inside the web pages of another web application. A JavaScript API can be used to synchronize those two web applications via a common field. For example, a field containing the customer account number. When a user working in a Virtel 3270 screen switches to a new customer account, the web application automatically switches the new account behind the scene, and vice versa. The two web applications remain positioned on the same customer account number at all times. This is the kind of thing you can do with the browser-based 3270 terminal emulator. Thank you for watching this video. You can check Virtel Web Access's customer stories in the next video.